Today. I hope you are all well. Today we are doing the secret ingredient is always love. So I am Telly with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. I'm a chalk couture designer. Like and follow my business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chalk VIP. You can also find me on Instagram and YouTube. Now, I have my trusty blanket here. We're going to fuzz this transfer as soon as I get this shared out. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. This always takes me an extra minute, so please bear with me. Let's see if I can. There we go. That's all done. So again, I am Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. I'm a chalk couture designer. And we are working on the secret ingredient is always love. This is a reusable silkscreen transfer. Reusable 8 to 12 times, even more if you can take really good care of it. But first we're going to fuzz because it will stick very hard onto our surfaces. Our surfaces are designed to work well with our silkscreen transfers, but because we make them as strong as we do and reusable as we do, they're super sticky. Hey Rachel, how are you? So I'm just fuzzing it on this towel. Just getting up some fuzz. We're going to do this about 3 or 4 times at least. Oh, I like how that actually shows the imprint. Sorry if I'm making us go on our boat ride that we haven't done in a while. Let me know how everybody is doing. If I can help you at any point, let me know that too. You also can check out my website, tellystalkinchalk.ca. That will give you my finished projects and links to the website where you can order each piece and make stuff your own. There is the website for the Canadians and the Americans, so that should be good. We got lots of fuzz. Although it is still super, super sticky. Let's do it one more time. We got time. But there's lots of fuzz. I can see it all. So when we're done, we just wipe it off with water. And that'll take off a lot of the fuzz as well. Alright. So, I'm going to try and measure this eyeballing. Oh. I looked at it and I saw that the shakers were upside down, and it literally made me feel like I put the whole thing upside down.
Make sure the hook's at the top.
We're good. I actually don't mind that where that's at. So that's good. we'll do it this way. Alright, so I have my squeegees, which again you can get off the website. And we have our paste. So today I decided that we were going to use raspberry sorbet, our daffodil, and our black velvet. Those are the three colors that we're going to use. Just decided because I didn't know what else to do, but I thought those colors would work well together. So I'm going to do the salt and pepper shaker in the yellow. I'm going to do the words in black. And then I'm going to do, except for the love and the heart, and then that I will be doing in the sorbet. If you would like any information on Chalk Couture, hashtag chalk in the comments. If you would like to know about Club Couture, hashtag club in the comments. Club Couture is our subscription box that comes to you monthly. So if you want any more information on that, please let me know. You can also find it on the website. But if you want to talk it out with me, that will be, well, that would be fine. I like getting to know the people that watch my lives, so if you ever want to chit chat, hit me up. I'm almost always around. On some form of social media platforms. I am Telly's Talkin' Chalk on Instagram and YouTube as well, so that'll be easy for you to find. I'm going to do the paste and peel method, so because we did that part, I don't want it to dry, so I'm just going to peel it up, and then we're going to put it back down. I'm going to try and peel this as evenly as I can, so not to stretch the transfer, so that it comes out perfect every time. So we're going to just put this back down, and I'm just going to lightly put it down and push down where we need to chalk still. There's no need to push down where you don't need to chalk. And I am only using chalk paste, not chalk ink, because this is removable off of this surface. If we wanted it to be permanent, we would be using the ink. Now I'm going to do the words in the black. If you're on the replay, hashtag replay and let me know when you're coming and seeing this.
Just a question about why wouldn't you do love first if you're doing a paste and peel method?
True that. Okay, let's go bottom up now. Because I could technically keep going the one way, but I get your point too. So, let's do it this way then. So either way would have worked. Most people work either top down or bottom to top, not top and then bottom, but we will do it this way. Let's see what happens. Now you want to make sure that this was down on the surface flat, because if there was any bubbles it would leak, and that's not something we want. Hey Stephanie, how are you? Thanks for catching me. What are you up to today? Grabbing all the excess paste off of here. just go over the whole thing. Why not? Alright, now we're going to pull up from the bottom. Thank you. Alright, so again, we're going to pull as evenly as we possibly can. But this is, again, really still sticky. So I could have fuzzed a little bit more. But it's not peeling bad, it's just a little sticky. Now I'm just going to pull up this heart. I know that wasn't pulling evenly that time. Do as I say, not as I do. As a friend always says. And, well, parents always say. Now we're going to do the black. Now I'm going to go kind of carefully because I'm scared that I'm going to end up going crazy. And when I have a big mass like this, I sometimes go really fast because I'm like, oh, you can't mess this up. And then I'll end up hitting one of the dots or something that I don't want to touch. Again, just scraping up all the excess because we don't need to waste it when we can use it. That was close. Almost made the heart black. Now again, this will dry pretty quickly, so I am trying to go as quick as I can. That is why we were doing the paste and peel method really quick, because if it dries in the transfer, it won't stay on. Again, if you like what you're seeing and you want more information, just message me either on this live or later. Private message me. I'm always willing to answer questions. Or if you like anything that you've seen as far as finished projects, you can let me know that too. All of my finished projects are for sale. There we go. Now we're just going to pull this all the way up. Be careful not to drop that. You ready for the reveal, everybody? It's always fun when you're trying to peel it and you're like, you need to push against it, but can't. Oh. Alright, so I'm just going to do those a little bit. But there is our finished project. I'll move it up just a bit so that you can see. I'm going to put some of this stuff away. Let me know how you like it. Give me some hearts and thumbs up. It's a very basic design today, but basic is sometimes fun. I was going to start a bigger project, but Just wasn't feeling up to it today. We were going to start it yesterday, and I wasn't coming on live yesterday. And today's just been an off day, so. Figured this one was cute, though. I feel like I put the wrong lid on. But I couldn't have, because the... No, I probably just touched it with the yellow. It's fine. So that is all I have for you today. Come and see me tomorrow when we figure out another project to do. And I will see you then. Bye, guys.